Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. Prices raise every year. B. Prices rise every year. C. Prices are raised every year. D. Prices rising every year. The correct answer is prices rise every year. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. Please raise your hand. B. Please raise your hand. C. Please raising your hand. D. Please raise your hand. The correct answer is please raise your hand. Which word means to go up by itself? Options are A. Raise. B. Rise. C. Raised. D. Raising. The correct answer is rise. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. The sun rises in the east. B. The sun rise in the east. C. The sun rises in the east. D. The sun is raised in the east. The correct answer is the sun rises in the east. Which word usually needs an object? Options are A. Rise. B. Raise. C. Rising. D. Risen. The correct answer is raise. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. They will rise the flag. B. They will raise the flag. C. They will risen the flag. D. They will raising the flag. The correct answer is they will raise the flag. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. Temperatures are rising quickly. B. Temperatures are rising quickly. C. Temperatures rise quickly by themselves. D. Temperatures have raised quickly. The correct answer is temperatures are rising quickly. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. He raised early this morning. B. He rose early this morning. C. He rises early yesterday. D. He rising early this morning. The correct answer is he rose early this morning. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. She raised the question. B. She rose the question. C. She rising the question. D. She raised the question yesterday. The correct answer is she raised the question. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. The water level raised overnight. B. The water level rose overnight. C. The water level raised overnight. D. The water level is raised overnight. The correct answer is the water level rose overnight.